Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a crafting items or crafting tools haul for you all. And this is just a mini haul. Actually, these are gift ideas that you can give for the holidays and stocking stuffers. These are items that I will be using as well. So this one is for you guys who like to craft. So these are items from bbcraft.com, and I'm going to be linking down below the link to their site or the store. I will give you my first impression review as I unbox them, and then later on, as days progress, if I am going to create a project, I will also let you know how they come out, and I'll show you how to use them. So let's start with this. These are metal die cuts that they sell. So I got the heart shape, the circle or round, and then the square. Let's see how many they are. There's plenty, and I'm afraid to lose some of them because the smallest size is this size. It's even smaller than a penny. So the largest, if I'm just going to measure from top to bottom, is about 4 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. And this teeny weeny one is 1/2 inch long and also 1/2 inch wide. So I got total of 10 hearts of different sizes. So it will be good for paper crafting, card making, or even embellishing scrapbooks, making some flip books, and any paper crafting needs. And I can use this with my die cutter, and I have the Spellbinder die cutter. Next, I have the different sizes of the square ones, and I have here seven pieces. So I'll just measure it from here rather than take them out. So this is 3 by 3, then the other one is 2.5 by 2.5, then the other one is 2 by 2, and then 1.5 by 1.5, and then 1 by 1, and then half, or 3/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch there. And then for the round ones, they have 8. I have more. So this one is circumference of 3.5, the biggest, okay? And then 3, and then 3. Yeah. So it comes from 3.5, and then the smallest is about 1/4 of an inch. The other item that I have that I'm pretty excited about really to find, these are the wax seals. And there's some kind of nostalgia with this, and let me just show you how many designs they have. 7 designs, or they are made of brass, and it's pretty heavy. And then this is the handle, and what you do is you insert it, or you can attach it to the handle and then just replace it. And you can melt some wax or candle, and then you pour the candle or the melted wax on a paper, and then you can seal it. How many centuries ago, this is how they used to seal letters with this, an envelope, or even nowadays, when they are marking some of their important messages, you see some invitations that are very creative for, let's say, a wedding or a bridal shower, sealed with a wax. So I find it really very nostalgic. Now this one, let me see what design this is, and I'm gonna give you a close-up of each and every one of them. This one is a heart, and there's a spelling of L-O-V-E here, like love, I think. Yeah, L-O-V, there's a heart. Okay, so that's good for sending love letters or love messages. You don't have to attach it to the handle for you to see. Okay, this one says good luck. Of course, it's in reverse, so it was kind of hard to decipher. So this is good luck. This one is thank you. I like the details also of each design. There's it's cursive, and there's some form of embellishment or scroll style scripting. This is just a plain rose here. This one is my friend. See that? my friend. And this one is Miss You. Isn't that cute? Okay, so again, there are seven heads, and of course one handle made of wood. Next one that I'm going to be unboxing is this one, and I got interested in this one because I make traveler's notebooks. Okay, I make traveler's notebook covers as well as inserts. I've always wanted to delve into making traveler's notebook covers that are made of leather, but I need some tools to be able to do that. And to those of you who have found this channel through my traveler's notebook DIYs, I think this is a treat for you. Yes, there we go. There we go. So there's quite a few items here, and this one's really for working with leather. Okay, so there are so many tools here, and I do not know how to use each and every one of them yet. And if you know how to work with leather using these tools for leathers, comment down below and let me know. Because I am also trying to explore this and learn this for the first time. So this set comes with different sizes of needles, and I'm pretty sure this is not just for leather. I can use this for sewing, not just the leather. And this one, they have some yarn. There are yarns here. Okay. There's a dark brown or dark chocolate, and then chocolate brown, dark brown, and then this is like taupe. So 3 of those. And then there are these ones. These are the awls, I think. Yeah, for puncturing holes. And they have protection on the tip here. So there are 3 sizes. Well, actually, they're not just for puncturing. Actually, they're for, yeah, I need to figure out, because I have an awl, and I've shown that to you when I was making Traveler's Notebook too, when I'm puncturing holes. So I don't know if these are similar to that, but just smaller sizes. Just clear that up. Okay. And then this one here, I don't really know what this is. And then this one, I think this one is for marking or cutting your leather. And there's a tape measure here. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, this one is when you're trying to pull the needle, and so that you don't hurt your fingers, this is what you use. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so this is an awl. This is a small awl, and I have the larger one that I purchased before at Amazon. So this is a smaller awl. And tape measures here. And I don't know what these are for. I'm pretty sure these are for, well, I'm going to open this up. There's some different designs there. Well, let me see this one. See, this one wasn't wrapped, but this one is, because, oh, look at that. They have needles on the wheel. So you got to protect your tool, but not only that, protect your hand from the tool. And then these are the handy needle. So these are for, there's a Glover's needle for sewing leather and furs, carpet needle for sewing carpet and heavy cloth, sail needle for sewing canvas, tarpaulin and Venetian blinds, straight upholstery needle for repairing canvas sofas and car seat, sack needle for sewing sacks, bags, and hampers, carved mattress needle. So these are the different types of needles that you can use for sewing or mending. And then this one here, gotta be careful because this may be sharp. This is like a pinking shear. Okay, is that how you call them? And this is like a small pinking shear or scissor. So that's nice. I wish they had a list so that I'm not too lost with all these items. I wish they had a label or list that came with the product. So that's one minus or negative there, because not everyone who orders are experts, right? We got to start somewhere, and I'm starting to delve into this. Like I said, I don't know yet when I'm going to be sharing some projects here. I need to learn more about this. So there are different tools here, and it looks like they're designs. So they could be something that you can use to put imprints or impressions on. See, there's like a half moon or a crescent moon here. Looks like a mini shovel here. I don't know. But like I said, I need to know what they are. And I'm probably gonna research them, go online and find what they are. And they did give me a lot of products here, so I'm grateful, but I just need to learn how to use them. And again, to those who are familiar with working on leather or upholstery, let me know how or what you use this for. And I think I have about maybe over a dozen items here. I want to learn all different types of crafts, and I try to delve into things, and of course tools can be pricey and they can add up. So that's the reason why when I was offered this, I figured, you know, I choose something like that. But to be honest, when I look at their price, they're pretty affordable still, so you may want to give them a shot as well. Okay, so that's it, folks, for this mini haul from BB Craft, and I will add the links down below to the products. Again, I have, actually it's not just 3 items, there were 3 die cut metals, and then this pack of wax seals, and then this pack for upholstery. Hope you enjoyed this video and that gave you a little bit of idea. If you are into crafting, go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of items. These are just the items I chose. And again, these are great items also to buy for your friends who are crafters as well for the holidays. Not only for the holidays, but also any occasion that may require some gifts. So for example, birthdays, anniversaries, that if you want to give them gifts, go check them out as well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you like what you see here, and click on the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. And you are all welcome to leave me some comments down below. Hope you all are having a great day. Talk to you again in my next video. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Bye-bye.